Please respond. I'm not audible. Anyone? Please speak. I'm not audible.
Yes, sir. Speak.
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Just please respond. I said, no, I'm not understanding whether you are not responding or my network issues. You said some of the problem. No, what is that problem? I asked.
So limit x6 x square. So x square plus 5x plus 3 so by x square minus 7x plus 6. So second equation.
Yeah. No, I want only last question. These all you finished now. Shall I teach it again? Yeah. Say the second question, please. Say the second question then.
Sir,
Yeah. See, y is
Sir,
equal to
sir.
cot inverse of under square. Yeah, please.
sir, limit x to 3, sir. X turns to 3. The equation है x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by x square minus 8x plus 15.
So limit sir x2 so x square minus 10x plus 16.
Repeat it again. Repeat it again.
So x square minus 10x plus 16 by x 1 by 3, sir, minus 2
Yes.
1
I'll
by
start
3.
doing so.
The answer is 69.
What will be the answer for the first one?
देखो सेठी धरियान ये ते बहुत जाती है
Right. Look at. Put x is equal to 6. 6 square 5 into 6 plus 3 by 6 square plus 7 into 6. How much it is? 36 plus 30 plus 3 by 36 minus 42 plus 6. That is 46 plus 3, 49 by 0. 49 by 0, what will say? We'll say undefined, infinity. If it is 0 by 0, no problem. Infinity is not problem.
Sir, 69.
Okay.
Sir, 69.
Anything,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Anything by 0 is undefined, no problem. In the same way, while we are doing the problem number 2, I wrote something wrong here. 11x minus
6.
oh. So limit x tends to 3. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. This can be factorized as a, this synthetic division or not? Can anyone please? You know how to factorize this or not? Don't know. If you'll not respond, I said, na, my network issue is not perfect today. Please respond. So this can be written as a x minus 2 into x minus 3 into a by. And can you factorize this amongst x minus 3 into x minus 5? This factorization I will teach how to do it. X minus 3 getting cancelled. Now put x is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 5. You will get some answer. Now here, first we have to put x is equal to 2. 0 by 0 coming. So what we should multiply na? As I said, x power 1 by 3 whole square plus x power 1 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3 whole square. Yeah. X power 1 by 3 whole square plus x power 1 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3 whole square. Now it is looking like numerator we can't do any numerator, this factorize it. This can be
Sir.
written as a x.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in second question, you have factorized the x cube minus 6 square plus 11x minus 6 into 3 terms, sir. So how can you do, sir?
That only when I'm saying no one responded. That is the question. How I factorized? I'll say it. Now next one, see, multiply with this color. Now this factorization become x minus 2 into x minus 8 into this whole thing by, look at it is looking like a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Its formula is a cube minus b cube. That is x power 1 by 3 whole cube minus 2 power 1 by 3 whole cube. 3 getting cancelled. X minus 2 getting cancelled. Now put x equal to 2. That is 2 minus 8 into 2 power, 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3. That is a minus 6 into 3 into 2 power 2 by 3. Leave it like that. So this is the thing we discussed on that day. It is called A. Look at this is called A and this is called B. A minus B means we have to multiply with A square, AB plus B square. It will become A cube minus B cube. Please copy it. Now I'll explain how to factorize this, a short method. Please copy
Sir,
this.
Sir, in third question, the answer is this, sir, minus 6 into 3 into 2 to the power 2 by 3. The value
Copied.
Yes, sir.
See, only one thing, Baba. Here you will get a doubt as a first question. How you factorized? I'll teach now. Now, second thing, have you got this as a integrate, this as a rationalizing factor? So this question ka answer I'm giving. See, if it is a minus b is there, if a minus b is there, we have to multiply with a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. Then only you'll get a cube plus b cube. So if we are supposing, this is a and if we are supposing this is a and this is b, then with this we have to multiply. A square means x power 1 by 3 whole square. X power 1 by 3 whole square. And AB, I think it's a plus side, right? It's a plus. I wrote minus. It got cancelled. Now when I multiplying, look at when I multiplying, like it is AB, a square plus AB plus b square. A square plus AB plus b square. Its formula is a cube minus b cube. There x minus 2 getting cancelled. Remaining thing, this star is this. We have to substitute. First copy it if you want. I'll teach it again. First copy it. Please do it fast. Completed. If it is
Excuse me?
completed,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
I'll teach the third.
Again, third question of second step.
I'll teach again third questions. Question is what? Can you say what is the question once? Limit x tends to 2 x
X
square minus 10x
10x
plus cy
plus 6, sir, plus 16.
16 x power minus 2 power 1 by 3. So first to multiply with
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ସାର୍ ସେ କହିଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ଆସିଛି 9ଟାରେ ସେ ମତେ କହିବ 9ଟା 18 ପଟା ମୁଁ ପଠ ପଟା 9ଟା 25 ତାର ଜଏନ୍ ହଉନି
please mute yourself. Yeah. So x power 1 by 3 plus x power 1 by 3 whole square. 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3 whole square is the question. Here also. X power 1 by 3 whole square plus x power 1 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3. 2 power 1 by 3 whole square. That is limit x tends to 2. X square minus 10x plus 16 into this entire thing. X power 2 by 3. X power 1 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3. 2 power 2 by 3 by. And this formula, it is looking like a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. It will become x power 1 by 3 whole cube minus 2 power 1 by 3 whole cube. These two getting cancelled. So limit x tends to 2. This is x minus 2 into x minus 8. X power 2 by 3. X power 1 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3. 2 power 2 by 3 by x minus 2. X minus 2 getting cancelled. Now put x equal to 2 here. 2 minus 8 into 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3. It will become minus 6 into 2 power 2 by 3, 2 power 2 by 3, 2 power 2 by 3. 3 into 2 power 2 by 3. Okay. How much it will become? Minus 18 into 2 power 2 by 3. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now do it. One more question I'll give like this.
Yes, sir.
If it is completed, please let me know. I'll give one more question.
Sir,
Shall I repeat again?
Sir, factorization.
I'll do. First, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll do the next question. Do it. If it is clear, I'll do the next question. Do it, please.
Sir, can you send previous page?
Yeah. No. Sure. Sir, this is the mains question, you know. Very important question it is. If you completed, please let me know. So I'll go to the next page.
Done, sir.
Please do it. Please start doing this. Shall I do this? Yeah, guys, please respond. Shall I do this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And Ramakrishna,
Yes, sir.
Whenever I'm asking a certain question, at least you
Hello, sir.
hello. See, look. The first thing, whenever you are substituting x is equal to 5, it will become 0 by 0. The first thing is equal to this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to solve like limit x tends to 5. Sir, it is x minus 5 into x plus 5. There is no problem with the numerator. And the denominator only problem. X power 1 by 5 like that it is there. X power 1 by 3 minus 5 power 1 by 3. With what I should multiply now? X power 1 by 3 whole square plus x power 1 by 3 into 5 power 1 by 3 plus 5 power 1 by 3 whole square. Here also x power 1 by 3 whole square, x power 1 by 3 into 5 power 1 by 3, 5 power 1 by 3 whole square. So limit x tends to 5, it can be written as x minus 5 into x plus 5 into x power 2 by 3, 1
Sir,
by 3 in 5
sir,
power
ans-
1 by 3. Yeah,
sir, answer. Sir, 10
you got the
into,
answer.
sir,
Okay, let me complete. Let me complete the question. And this entire thing can be x power n by 3 whole cube minus 5 power 1 by 3 whole cube. 3 getting cancelled. X minus 5 baki hai. X minus 5 cancel with this. Now substitute. It will become 10 into 5 power 2 by 3 plus 5 power 1 by 3, 5 power 1 by 3 plus 5 power 2 by 3. So that is equal to 10 into. Understood?
yeah,
Yes,
No.
sir.
Please do it. Please do it. One more question I'll give. Please do it.
Completed, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Sir, completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, the
Yes.
next question. So now this one, please try to do it. The question is limit x tends to what I can say 10 into x square minus 12x plus 20 by x power 1 by 3 minus 10 power 1 by 3. Please do this. X power 1 by 3 into 10 power 1 by 3. Like that, same question, sir. Make it fast.
So when you show the previous slide,
Sofik?
did you show the previous slide?
Yeah. It's a previous slide on the screen. Make it fast. So much things I should teach. So there is a message, dear students. Next class will be physics. It seems. Please make a note. So right. Do this, guys, please fastly. It's completed. The thing I'll teach how to factorize, and afterwards some formulas on. Afterwards some formulas.
Sir, answer is 24 into 10 to the power 2 by 3.
Okay. 24 into 22, I think. 22. Once check it. I don't know. I have to solve it. Any other answer from the boys? Brilliant boys. Please respond. Please respond. Completed. So completed. Please make it fast. Right. I'll do it. I will do it. See. As you know that first put 10, I think you'll get 0 by 0. Am I correct? You're not getting 0 by 0. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
0 by 0.
Yeah, you are getting 0 by 0. Very good.
Sir, your
Now
voice is not audible.
that is called indeterminate form. Now x square minus 12x. Yeah, my voice is not audible. 1 minute. Just a minute. Now I changed my network now. Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now this can be factorized as, the numerator can be factorized as x minus 2 into x minus 10. And this can be x power 2 by 3 plus x power 1 by 3 into 10 power 1 by 3 plus 10 power 2 by 3. Here also x power 2 by 3 x power 1 by 3, 10 power 1 by 3 into 10 power 2 by 3. So limit extends to 0. X minus 2 into x minus 10 into x power 2 by 3 plus 10 power 2 by 3 by, this is like a minus b into a plus b, a cube minus b cube. And the things will get cancelled, you know that it's become x minus 10. Now we have to put x is equal to 10 in that. 10 minus 2, 8 into 10 power 2 by 3 plus 10 power 2 by 3 plus 10 power 2 by 3. That is 8 into 3 into 10 power 2 by 3. 24 into 10 power 2 by 3. Now I will copy it. Now I will say how to factorize. Now please copy it. I will say how to factorize it.
Completed, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Very good.
Done, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, ma, very good. Now I'll do factorization. Once. How to factorize it, you know? Can you say what is that value? Or in that question we got na x square x cube minus 6x square plus how much it is? X cube minus 6x square plus. We have that equation. No? What is that equation?
Yes, sir. Plus 4.
6x square plus 11x minus 6. Plus 11x minus 6. That's a question now. So the question
Yes,
how
sir.
to
Why?
factorize. That's the question. So whenever you are factorizing, we have to use Horner's method. It is also called it as or synthetic division method. It is also called it as a synthetic division method. How to do it, sir? First, write the coefficients. What are the coefficients you have? 1, minus 6, 11, minus 6. 1, minus 6, 11, minus 6. X is equal to keep some value. If you keep 1 and put 0 here, add these two. Ramakrishna, add these two. One. When add these two, it will become 1. Now multiply these two. 1 ones are 1. Again, it is minus
1.
5. Again, multiply these two. Minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. Again,
Yes,
6
sir.
ones are 6. It will become 0. Whenever it will become 0, we will say that 1 is a root. So we have to write x minus 1 into. Now again put x equal to 1. 0 here, 1. 1 ones are. By here we have to add, here we have to multiply. 1 ones are 1. It's a minus 4. Okay, minus 4 ones are minus 4. Is it 0? If it is not 0, then we have to go with another number. 2. X is 1 nahi aaye to we have to go for 2. 1. 1 2s are 2.
Sir,
1 2s are 2 and it's a minus 3. Minus 3 2s are minus 6 0. Yes, it is also the root. X minus 2.
sir,
Yeah,
Sir, please repeat, sir.
I'll repeat
Huh.
it. I'll repeat it. I'll repeat it. I'm repeating again. See, भाई फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या हुआ ना, ये फैक्टर्स लिखो, कोएफिशिएंट्स लिखो, x क्यूब का कोएफिशिएंट्स, x स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट, x का कोएफिशिएंट, ये कांस्टेंट का कोएफिशिएंट, 1 -6 11 -6, इसमें ये 0 कंपलसरी है, 0 लिखो. नाउ चेक एट x इक्वल टू 1, इसमें चेक किया ना, x इक्वल टू 1, ये दोनों ऐड करो, 1 + 0 1 आया. Now multiply these two, 1 1s are 1, again add these two, -5, again the multiplication of these two, -5 1s are -5, again add, again add, this becomes 6, again product of this, 6 1s are 6, and the remainder is 0. I'm repeating again. See, sir, whenever you are doing this particular process, you know, first you have to put 0 here, and you have to put x is equal to 1. अगर x equal to 1 not satisfy हुआ तो, satisfy means what? Satisfy means what? The answer is not become 0. Satisfy means answer becomes 0. Not satisfy means answer not become 0. So 0, 1 + 0 1 आ रहा है, and 1 into 1, तो दोनों का product 1 आए, -6 plus like that we can. Now we got 1 -5 6, and it will become 0. Now again I checked with 1, it is not satisfied, so I went for 2. 0 is a compulsory. 1 2s are 2, -3, -3 2s are -6, remainder 0. And the last one is x -3.
Sir,
I got a. Shall I repeat again?
नहीं sir, हो गया sir.
We can solving questions by help of middle term splitting method. Middle term splitting method will be helpful exactly for quadratic, but it is a cubic equation. Na? If you want, I'll teach one more method.
Yes, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me prepare the question. Just give him a minute. I'll prepare the question.
वो जो उस मेथड का नाम क्या है सर?
देखो ये लिखो ना, Horner's method. Eight 17 10. I'll write the questions here. Now like this, try to do it. X cube minus 8x square plus 17x minus 6. Minus 6 not, minus 10 then, minus 10. Please try to solve it using that method. Please try to solve it using that method.
Sir, completed sir.
What are the answers?
Sir, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 5.
Sir, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5.
Yes, sir.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Very good. that this is not limits. Okay, this is the weapon. This is the tool to solve certain problems from the limits. This is not the limits. Okay, while we are solving the limits problem, it is necessary to read these type of techniques. I'm doing again. See, 1 minus 8, 17 minus 10 is the question. First, we have to keep 0 here. And we have to check 1, if not 2, if not 3, if not minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Anywhere, any one answer you will get. So I'm checking with 1. 1. I should multiply na 1 ones are 1. Minus 7. ये दोनों एडिशन करो. Minus 7 ones are minus 7. अगर 10 आया, add करो. 10 ones are 10, 0.
0.
मतलब x minus 1 is a factor. And now x equal to 1 again. 0, 1. 1 ones are 1. Minus 6 आया. Minus 6 ones are minus 6. ये तो 0 नहीं है ना. So you have to erase it. Now check with 2. When I'm checking with 2, 1. 1 2s are 2. Minus 5, minus 10. Yes, 0 we got. X minus 2 and आखिरी वाला x minus 5 है. तो x minus 5. चलेगी one more question.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Those
sir.
who didn't understand, please copy it. Those who understand, just give a minute. I'll write the question. The question is x cube minus 13x plus 12 equal to 0. Minus 12, it's not plus 12. X cube minus 13x, अगर x square का कोएफिशिएंट नहीं है, इसमें 0 लिखो. X cube minus 13x minus 12 equal to 0. Shall I repeat again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because I'm saying the last question. I'm saying the last question. First, so those who completed, do this problem. Those who are not understand the thing, please look at here. 1 minus 8, 17 minus 10. 1 minus 8, 17 minus 10. So this method name is called Horner's method, or this method is called synthetic division method. It helps us to solve or to factorize the given polynomial. Not only power 3, power 4, power 5, power 6. Easily you can do it. Like, first we have to keep 0, na, add both the things. 1 plus 0, 1. Again, 1 ones are 1. Minus 8 plus 1, minus 7. Minus 7 ones are minus 7. 17 minus 1, 10. Again, 10 ones are 10. Add those two, it will become 0. So whenever you are getting this as a 0, we can say that x is equal to 1 is a rule. That is x minus 1 is the factor. After we got 1 minus 7, 10. You know? Now put x is equal to, actually I substitute, I check with 1, their answer is not came. So I'm checking with the 2. I'm checking with the 2. So it is 1 0 1. Again 1 ones are 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. Minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5 2s are minus 10. Plus 10 minus 10, it will become 0. So it will become x minus 5. So what are the factors you know? X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Shall I repeat again?
No, sir, understood.
Very good. Ma'am. Thank you very much. Please copy it.
Sir, done, sir.
What are the answers?
Sir, x plus 1,
Hmm.
x minus 4, and sir, x plus 3, sir.
Hmm. So I'll do it. X square minus 13x minus 12. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once I do it. Unfortunately, something. Ramakrishna, say the equation. X cube.
Sir, x cube minus 13x
13x.
minus 12.
Equal to
Yeah,
0.
that's the question. X cube minus 13x minus 12 equal to 0. So whenever you are doing the factorization using sympathetic division, it's a 1, 0, minus 3, minus 13, minus 12. So we'll check with x equal to 1. 0, 1, 1 ones are 1. Addition तो क्या है 1 आया. 1 ones are 1. Addition तो क्या है minus 12 आया. Minus 12 ones are minus 12. ये दोनों cancel हुआ. No, minus minus दोनों के how it will be cancelled. So 1 is saying the wrong answer. Now do with 2. 1 1 2s are 2. Add 2. 2 2s are 4. Add. It's a minus 9. Minus 2. Minus 18. Here also 0 is not coming. Now go with the 3. 1 1 3s are 3. 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus 4. 4 3s are minus 12. Again it will not become 0. Now we'll go to the negative numbers. Minus 1. 1 minus 1s are minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 it will become minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1s are 1. It will become minus 12. Minus 12 minus 1s are plus 12. Amma, it will become 0. So minus 1 here this side आया तो x plus 1 will be the factor. Now again. Here no need to verify again 1 2. Again it's not satisfying. Na? Minus 1 we have to start. 0 1. 1 minus 1s are minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1s are 2. It's not 0. So minus 1 it's not satisfying. Now minus 2. 1 minus 2s are minus 2. Minus 3. Minus 3 minus 2s are 6. It's also not satisfying. Next to minus 3. 1. 1 minus 3s are minus 3. It will become minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3s are 12. It will become 0. So it will come this side. It will become x plus 3 equal to 0. And again last one will become x minus 4. These are the factors. Understood? So what a beautiful mathematics that it is. Without any, even calculator also takes some time, but we will easily do it. Shall I give one more question? Have you understood or not? Are you
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
Shall I give one more question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let me frame the question. Let me frame the question. So it is x cube minus 3x minus, this is the question. X cube minus 3x square minus 10x. Please factorize it. Please do it. Completed. Right. So actually, today we want to discuss some of the limits problem using the formulas, standard limits problem. But unfortunately, we studied the new tool here. Okay, no problem. So in the next session, we'll do the limits problems well. But thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.